Hi guys, this is Tip Tuesday, and my tip today is, especially with the kids out for the summer, only have enough dishes in your kitchen for the amount of family members you have living in your home. All the extra dishes can be kept in a container so that they stay clean in the garage, so when you do have company, you can pull those out. But if you only have enough dishes for those living in your house, and that means cups and silverware, guess what? As soon as your children start pulling those cups and dishes out this summer, they will have to wash it before they can use it again the next day. It will keep you from going into your children's room and finding 10 cups and 10 plates and all the silverware that your kids tend to use during the day, whether they hoard it in their room or if they just keep using another cup every time they get a drink. This way, every dish is designated towards each person and they have to wash it before they have it to use the next time they get a drink or get a snack. All right, guys, that's my summer tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.